Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the ski rower. Now, the SkiErg or the ski rower, whatever feels comfortable you saying, is a great exercise that for people that are beginners and needing to not use a high impact exercise, this is a very good machine or tool to use in your training. Now, for those that are more advanced, again, it's a great way for you to add variety to your workout for conditioning purposes. Now, with this, I'm going to teach you the teaching points, so that means that you don't get any sort of, you get the most efficient way of training. So, you probably would see that all you would need to do is just throw your hands down as fast as you can. Now, for the most part, people would look at this as an arm exercise. I want you to now shift your mindset to think that it's a leg exercise. Now, that leg exercise is based on the way that you are literally trying to reach upward through your toes and trying to drop into that bottom position. And that drop is the weight that you're trying to utilize to use the actual rope to catch down, to pull down. So I'm going to show you quickly, and then and I'm going to then teach you the teaching points behind it as well. So what we're looking for is toes, shoulder width stance, so you can see there I was a bit more faster, a bit more powerful, and this is where you can get the benefits of this based on me teaching this. Now, this is not a concept ski rower, so I want you to recognize that while it is not the same, the teaching points will be the same. So when we grab our handles, we are going to ensure that our fingertips are in line with the rope. So this will give us the distance that we are going to be setting up with our stance. From here, when we're setting up our stance, we are going to grab the fleshy part of the handle with our palm, of the outer part of our palm. Now, once we're in that position and you've found the stance that you're in, the key starting point is understanding the catch position. And this is where you are trying to raise your arms up through your lats and raise up onto your toes. So this is where you're going to be at the highest point. And the lowest point is where you're going to drop your weight to finish just in front of your knees, as you can see. And then what you'll end up doing is letting the handles float up, and then you'll start to rise up onto your toes, and then you'll start to drop down to finish in front of your knees. While that is quite simple to do, some people may start to find their groove and find the technique practice. So what I want you to try and avoid is try to avoid any windmill, because if we looked at it on efficiency, it takes longer for this the rope to travel back into the catch position. If we are focusing on efficiency, we want to be trying to make sure that it goes down and up as quick as possible. The next point is not going back too far, because again, it will take longer to travel, and with this angle, it can start to shift you forward as well. So trying to be underneath is going to be what is best. The next point is making sure that your eye line is facing forward, or even facing your program monitor. So once you're facing the program monitor, your eyes are really forward and fixated on something. Okay, so just remember again, so you might need to start the flywheel to just gain the momentum with your body weight, but the main thing is fingers facing forward, arms high up into the catch position, holding onto the fleshy part of the handles. And then when we go starting in that position, we are going to learn how to drop, finish, float, come back up, drop. That is how you will perform the ski rower and the SkiErg, or depending on the machine. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.